Le protocole à la Charte africaine des droits de l'homme et des peuples relative aux droits des femmes de l'Union africaine stipule que toute femme a droit au respect de sa vie, de son intégrité physique et à la sécurité de sa personne, et que les États doivent réprimer les auteurs de la violence à l'égard des femmes et réaliser des programmes en vue de la réhabilitation de celles-ci. Ce documentaire a pour but de montrer l'importance de répondre aux violences sexuelles basées sur le genre de manière globale et en partenariat avec tous les acteurs. Une telle méthodologie se base en particulier sur une plus grande prise de conscience des causes, des conséquences, des droits et des moyens d'éradiquer ces violences, sur la mobilisation d'une plus forte volonté politique, sur le changement positif des lois, sur l'arrestation et le jugement des auteurs de violences, sur les mécanismes de réparation et enfin sur un plus grand pouvoir économique généré pour et par les survivantes. Mais le véritable changement ne peut se faire sans modifier profondément les attitudes de la société.
Mzee yangu alichukuliwa na jeshi wakaenda nayo, hata sikuona mpaka wa leo.
Mimi hata nguvu yangu imeishia, sikuwa hivi. Mafikiria ambaye nilikuwa nayo nilifikiria vibaya sana, na nikasema afadhali hata sijui mwenye alikufa.
Mimi naye nilipikwa nikaumizwa, na ni zaidi ya yote nilipoteza watu 17 na sijasika mpaka sasa. Na sijaona uso. Niliona tu wakitoa, wakienda nao na mpaka sasa sijaona.
Vile walinifikia, kanyaka huku, kanirep na kusema we mama, amuka. Sikuweza vile naamuka, na vile walinirep na wanaamuka hivyo wanaenda. Hata mi kesho yake kuamuka, waliniambia tu baba ya watoto ndio huyu, wamemupika na risasi, kichwa imepasuka.
Ili ni affect na kuniambukiza hiyo mambo ya virusi yenye sikuwa nayo. Sasa ndio kaniletea shida mingi. Hata kwa nyumba sina raha. Ninashinda nikiwaza, nashinda nikilia, nikifikiria watoto wangu. Sasa baba yao alikufa, mimi sasa nikikufa watabaki na nani, na bado hawajafikia mahali pa kukaa peke yao.
Pourquoi m'ont-ils fait ça à moi et à tant d'autres? Pourquoi devrais-je me sentir coupable, me cacher, avoir peur tout le temps? Pourquoi mon agresseur, nos agresseurs sont-ils encore en liberté plutôt que derrière des barreaux? Comment guérir et obtenir justice?
Adui umara karma ber kono jon berga ponwaki makmon ni anyar madan no puti komge ato ana tiano no tu pai komge silem.
Because of the nature of that crime, a number of them find it very difficult to be able to talk about it. The trauma that one has to endure, the uncertainty of whether through that rape they have gotten pregnant or they've contracted diseases, the social aspect about how it will be seen within the family setup.
Huwa nashangaa sana juu sasa sijui kama walikuwa amenitarget ama walikuwa wananijua, juu huwa nashangaa ni kwa nini walinifanya mimi hivyo.
Na kama ni mtoto wako anafanyia mtoto wa mwenzako namna hii, ama kama ni mtu na mnaishi na yeye anafanya namna hii, kabisa wewe mwenye roho ya utu vile nang'ang'ana na maisha, tuseme ni mtoto wako, unaweza sikia namna gani? Ni mtoto wako amefanyiwa hivyo, ile uchungu ni naye, siwezi elezea zaidi. Mungu tu ndiye anajua.
Gena yela era gen man no ma dong ma ba da pragmatique re ti gen mo ni yela chal jox e ba dong tem yu nek ko but this time lu ñor na dong pe ber ka teme ganga ma ci par o week ken ki way ni wan mo nek dan lim no tian ti wi wa gini ani bien teme lu ñor na bu teme ye ko e par don ko go meta do pelala ko o kana miero teme ko o kana miero teme
no na ber ka temo bal perni karcha no ber tuero kere de kere mier wang temo ci bada a temo ko na lobu gen mano ki puanya ke na tem ka pa temo beno ke mier ke neha cha temo ci kom kan eni mada nano ke ta don gang do ta okay lu rama mo kane po duogo we cha wani gi pere eno ti ana nyar mo ben ha mo gi kanya tar gini be we cha wani kom gi be pe ma be don pa gan ka gi tie ci da ti ka pa na pa.
I believe that the law enforcers do not enforce the laws as required. I also believe that the lawmakers are not even checking to ensure that the laws are enforced. And I also believe that there are no mechanisms put in place to punish people who are not enforcing the laws.
Kama mmepata mtu amerape mtu, hata hii area yetu kuna wengine walirape hata mtoto na hakuna hatua ile inachukuliwa. Sasa tunasema mtu kama huyu unamchukulia hatua kiasi ile aende ndani.
Comment tout faire pour que ces atrocités ne se reproduisent plus jamais? Ces crimes qui nous touchent nous, nos filles, nos sœurs, nos mères. Comment mettre fin une fois pour toutes à l'impunité?
There are certain crimes or certain experiences of victims of conflict that international legal standards view it as crimes that cannot be addressed using the traditional systems of justice. So definitely such crimes have to be addressed under the law. For instance, crimes against humanity and war crimes and the crimes of genocide. That is where the legal justice takes precedence.
An chika tikere la tien mo ke neng u chaka bak la tien mo maraji o chaka mak la tien inu ni bakal ping o chaka lok ki wiye batek karam winyo lokane ki winyo ka peram winyo lokane atian du dingo wa mi put waru winyo matek karu andu fu peram winyo loke.
Even if perpetrators of such crimes undergo traditional justice mechanisms or undergo a truth-telling process, at the end of the day, they have to still be held accountable according to the international norms.
In northern Uganda, generally women have been undermined in all aspects of life. So as media, we always come out to sensitize the community on the roles of women in the community, importance of women, and achievements of women. So by talking about women on the media, it helps to encourage them to take up responsibilities.
Comment changer l'attitude des hommes et de la société dans son ensemble? Sans justice, la paix est impossible. Nous avons besoin de savoir que ceux qui nous ont infligé ces cicatrices, qu'elles soient physiques ou morales, ne recommenceront jamais. Nous voulons pouvoir tourner la page.
They were very low, they had lost confidence, they had low esteem, and they were never speaking about what had happened to them.
Tulikaa sasa chini tukaona wale wamama ambao tuliathirika. Mimi nimepaki mwenyewe, yule mwingine mwenyewe, hivyo. Tukaona ile kitu na itakuwa labda msaada kwetu, tujiunge. kwa group.
Group counseling helps them identify whom they can run to at a time of help. Because at the group counseling, they'll come to a particular place, a center where they share the experiences, and then at the end of the session, they go back to their respective places. So once they have identified each other in the group, they know I can call so-and-so, I can go to so-and-so when I'm overwhelmed at a particular time.
Chenye naweza kusema sana sana wenye walifanywa kitendo kama mimi, chenye niligundua ya kwamba ni vizuri kusema, usinyamaze. Ukiwa na shida kama hiyo usinyamaze, hata utafute mwenye utaweza kumwambia ili usaidiwe.
Ningesitu kukaa hivyo singekuwa mpaka wa leo. Hata ningekufa kwa sababu ya mawazo yenye nilikuwa naye.
Comment assurer le minimum pour moi-même et ma famille, aujourd'hui et dans le futur? Sans soutien psychologique, nous nous sentons perdus. Peu importe combien de temps cela prendra, ce qui est important pour nous, c'est de parler, de partager, de comprendre et d'apprendre, car ça nous aide et nous donne confiance sur le long chemin de la guérison et de la résilience.
Those women were given seeds. They were given maize seeds. They were given onion seeds.
They were given startup, they were given goats, livestock. Secondly, they were trained on the village savings scheme.
The second year, ndio wakakuja. Hapo ndio walitupatia pesa, ndio tukafanya tukaanza biashara, nikaanza na kazi ya nyumba.
But long-term support, for me, reparation goes beyond money. It would mean empowering of communities, especially survivors of gender-based violence or impunity in general. And it also means empowering them and providing them with the livelihoods that can help them turn their lives around.
Ano, tiene karma geu mi akwany mo matetire. Akwany mo kana wiro ke diel. Ko beta karo ti peng ti kanywal. Ki dong mo dong ngai mat no nok. Cha wara en ke nyanya gena wanjire ni kira hunena ko berati acha nene.
Nilipea mahindi nikapanda. Nimefuna mahindi. Hata saa hizi ningali na chakula kwa nyumba.
An karma gamu diga rio. Nyoke uri pidwe ario ke kan chotao. Ento buang diel en bertiena we chan. Inano kuri tiki ich pene. Ki an diel ma awelo ki boli chupe, unwal la tiana betie, piano goi ruti. Ki kuri tiki diga ngwen, ma awela ki dak ma awela ki chana boli chupe dak tie.
Katika hali ambayo tulikuwa naye, saa hizi tumebadilika. Sisi wa mama wale wa elikuwa na ambaye tungaada tunajikunja hivi. Hatukuwa tunaongea na mtu. Tulikuwa tunakaa tu hivi.
Assurer nos besoins vitaux et ceux de notre famille nous aide à rebondir et à espérer à nouveau. Nous travaillons dur en tant que femmes actives et en tant que mères. Nous avons la force nécessaire pour protéger nos familles et restaurer la dignité de nos vies.
There are so many women who would like to get onto the program, but we're not able to do it. But it's also helped in terms of the fact that we've seen a multiplier effect. I think just seeing one woman, you know, from your thatched house into a house that's plastered and you've got a corrugated iron sheet, for me that is amazing progress. From not having chicken, one little hen, to having about 20 and a cow, that for me is progress. Or from somebody telling you that I'm now able to pay school fees for all my children, but that this program has been able to address them in a much more unique manner by targeting the very core economic activity and making that possible for them to be able to fulfill all their other needs, which means you reduce people from begging because they're actually using their own sweat. This is a partnership between the women and the program. There is need for people to believe, to understand that crimes were committed. Sometimes in the absence of a story, people just look at some of these things as statistics. And the problem with statistics is that because there's no human face, one is not able to empathize. And there's need to be able to get people to rally behind cases of the nature in which we're working in, so that they can find out and they can push and participate in demanding for processes or systems or justice to be able to be brought to bear, so women can actually get some closure over the crime that they suffered.
I think women's political empowerment plays a major role. It's not enough to have 30% of women in parliament. That's not enough. But you need to have 30% of empowered, politically empowered women in the legislation, for instance. That way, they are able to push in for legislation. They are able to push in also to push for the implementation of these laws. You need to empower them.
The perpetrators of sexual and gender-based violence should be made to know that what they did was wrong, because their sisters, their mothers, or their grandmothers, or their granddaughters or daughters would be exposed to such perpetration as well. So it is upon us, the African leaders and different women activists and human rights activists, to ensure that we work together with different nations and different stakeholders to ensure that gender inequality ceases in this in different societies and in this nation. And for us to end the violence against women and different forms of violence, we need to work together. It needs a concerted effort to ensure that at the end of the day, justice and harmony returns in this society, and for us to prevent the recurrence of different forms of violence from happening.
Mes cicatrices sont réelles et permanentes, mais je ne suis plus une victime. Je garde ma dignité et ma joie. Je veux que mes enfants continuent à apprendre et à s'épanouir. Je connais mes droits et veux croire que je suis en sécurité dans mon pays. Brisons le silence. Connaissons parfaitement nos droits et faisons-les appliquer. Nous devons tout faire pour poursuivre nos agresseurs en justice. Nous devons exiger d'être protégés et soutenus sur le chemin de la réparation et de la guérison et sur le long terme. Nos cultures doivent s'engager à mettre fin aux violences faites aux femmes pour garantir à nos filles et à nous-mêmes un présent porteur d'espoir pour le futur. Les lois sont là, les institutions aussi. Mais ce qui manque aujourd'hui, c'est une volonté politique beaucoup plus forte pour éradiquer durablement les violences contre les femmes et les filles.
Ajonita engung baba sendo baba. Ajonita engung baba sendo baba. Ajonita baba. Ajonita engung baba segaswa baba. Magajota engung baba severura baba. Ajonita engung baba severura baba. Magajota engung baba sendo baba. Ajonita engung baba sendo baba. Ajonita engung baba serirena baba. Ajonita engung baba serirena.